1000 LB Sisters. Amanda stands by Tammy after surgery, showing true sisterly support. Tammy Slaton's journey has been nothing short of extraordinary, and now more than ever, the unwavering support of her sister Amanda has captured the hearts of fans worldwide. After undergoing her life-changing weight loss and skin removal surgeries, Tammy faced not only physical challenges but also emotional battles that could have felt insurmountable without the love of her family. Among all her siblings, Amanda has consistently stepped up, providing an unshakable foundation of strength, encouragement, and warmth for her sister in this critical chapter of her life. Fans of the TLC hit series 1000 LB Sisters have witnessed the incredible bond the siblings share, but this latest chapter proves just how deep Amanda's dedication to Tammy truly runs. In the aftermath of Tammy's surgery, the recovery process was anything but easy. With scars, swelling, and the grueling regimen of post-operative care, Tammy needed someone she could rely on day and night. Amanda took on that role without hesitation. She stayed by Tammy's side in the hospital, holding her hand during moments of pain and cheering her on in moments of triumph. Viewers who have followed Tammy's rollercoaster journey know that these surgeries were not just about shedding pounds, they represent the second chance at life, a reset button after years of struggling with extreme obesity and the associated health complications. Amanda's presence during these delicate moments has been a source of comfort and a reminder that family support can be just as vital to recovery as medical care. Fans took to social media to express admiration for Amanda's steadfastness. Many noted that the dynamic between the sisters has evolved significantly since the early seasons of 1000 LB Sisters, where tensions sometimes boiled over amid the stress of daily life and the looming health risks Tammy faced. Amanda, known for her witty comebacks and tough love approach, has softened in the most tender way when it comes to helping Tammy heal. She has documented small glimpses of their time together post-surgery, from late-night pep talks to moments of laughter over shared memories. The message Amanda consistently shares is one of unconditional love. No matter how hard the journey has been or will continue to be, Tammy is not walking it alone. Sources close to the family reveal that Amanda has taken on multiple responsibilities to ensure Tammy remains focused on her recovery. She helps prepare healthy meals tailored to Tammy's new post-surgery dietary needs, assists with physical therapy exercises, and keeps a watchful eye on medication schedules. Amanda's determination to see her sister succeed reflects not only her love for Tammy but also the collective hope of the ENT. Slaton family that this transformation will mark the beginning of a healthier, happier life. This level of care has reminded fans of the power of family, especially in moments when the road to healing feels long and uncertain. Tammy's own social media updates echo the gratitude she feels for her sister's dedication. In one heartfelt post, Tammy referred to Amanda as her rock, acknowledging that the emotional toll of surgery and recovery could have been unbearable without her sister's constant encouragement. As Tammy continues to shed weight and rebuild her confidence, Amanda's presence has allowed her to face each challenge with a renewed sense of hope. This mutual respect and love between the sisters have not gone unnoticed by fans, who have flooded comment sections with praise for Amanda's loyalty and Tammy's bravery. The story of Tammy and Amanda has resonated far beyond the typical reality TV audience because it touches on universal themes of family, resilience, and unconditional love. Viewers are inspired to see that even in the toughest of times, a sibling's unwavering support can be transformative. As Tammy embraces her new reality, Amanda's role remains pivotal, ensuring that the progress made is both physical and emotional. The Slaton family has faced its share of public scrutiny, but moments like these remind everyone that behind the cameras are real people navigating life's most challenging obstacles together. As 1000 LB Sisters continues to document this remarkable journey, fans are eagerly watching to see what lies ahead for Tammy and Amanda. The upcoming episodes are expected to explore more of Tammy's adjustment to her post-surgery life, including her struggles and triumphs as she works toward long-term health goals. Amanda's presence will likely remain a central storyline, showing the audience how essential family support can be in making lasting change. The show's ability to balance raw emotional moments with uplifting family interactions has been a key factor in its popularity, and the bond between Amanda and Tammy is a shining example of that formula at work. In a world where reality TV often thrives on conflict, the genuine love and care displayed by Amanda offer a refreshing narrative that fans cannot get enough of. While Tammy's transformation journey is far from over, she has already achieved something equally important, rebuilding and strengthening the relationships that sustain her. For Amanda, supporting her sister is not about the spotlight or the cameras. It is about showing up when it matters most. Their story continues to inspire thousands, reminding viewers that with love, determination, and a strong support system, even the most daunting challenges can be overcome. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.